To remove and install the battery on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Then, unlatch the two hood hold-downs from each side of the vehicle. Next, open the hood. After this, locate the battery access cover in the center of the cowl. Remove the two push pins from the access panel. Next, disconnect the black negative battery cable first to prevent arcing. Set the cable aside. Now, disconnect the red positive cable and set aside. After this, remove the battery hold-down strap. Next, lift the battery out of the vehicle. Be careful not to tip a flooded battery sideways, which could spill electrolyte. If electrolyte spills, immediately wash it off with a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 cup of water to prevent damage to the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure that the battery is fully charged and free of any dirt or debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the battery tray. Next, place the battery in the battery holder. Apply dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the battery terminals before reinstalling connectors. Next, install the battery hold-down strap and torque the fasteners to specification. Then, connect and tighten the red positive cable first and torque to specification. Now, connect and tighten the black negative cable and torque to specification. Then, verify cables are secure and properly routed. After this, reinstall the battery access cover with push pins. Next, close and latch the hood. Tip: turn the key to the on position and verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.